For standing, I'm just going to, again, find the, let's do this with one thing at a time here. I'm going to find the spot that's tight, or I'm going to find my lat with a roller. Now this one is a little bit more awkward, but again, I'm just going to kind of do a little mini squat here and roll up and down. I can walk this foot out to make it a little bit, to put a little bit more pressure into the wall or into the roller itself. Find the spot that's sore tight, let it sink in, and just breathe into it. Kind of feeling my body just kind of side bend this way. And with this, I can also rotate. So breathe in, exhale and rotate. Same thing, deep breath in, exhale and rotate. Now with the ball, same rules apply. Kind of just put it into the area that's sore tight. Exhale. Roll from side to side. Exhale, or less of an up and down roll, but again, covers more surface area, so I'm not going to need to quite as much. But find the spots that are sore tight. Find the density that works for you. Give that a go this week or in the next couple of days and let me know how it goes.